Hello students, welcome to our maths class. I hope you all are enjoying our classes. And our today's topic is story sums, but story sums of addition, okay, and subtraction. We will review some of the subtractions which you have already studied. Okay, we will revise that. So now let's begin our class. We will begin with a story sums of addition. So now let's see first example. A toy has 150 cars and 101 trains. It has 45 more dolls than the number of cars and trains together. How many dolls does the shop have? Okay, so first of all, we will write the first digit, that is 150. Okay, 150. A toy shop has 150 cars and 101 trains. So we will add this, and it has 45 more dolls, means 150 cars they are having and 101 trains also they are having, but there are 45 more dolls also in the toy shop. So we will add 45 here. Now we will add from the right hand side, right? So 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 and 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the answer is 296. Now we will write the final sentence. The shop has 296 dolls. Okay, first of all you have to add those numbers and then write the final sentence. Okay, now we will see the next sum. Second, for the first show of a circus, 473 tickets were sold. For the second show, 525 tickets were sold. What was the total number of tickets sold? Now, you have to see this. In the first show of the circus, 473 tickets were sold. So, I will write 473 here. And in the second show, 525 tickets were sold. So, I will add these two digits, right? And we will add from the right hand side. So, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. And 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay. Now, we will write the final sentence. The total number of tickets sold are 998. Okay, this is the last and final sentence you have to write. Next is third sum. A cobbler mended 23 shoes on Monday, 34 shoes on Tuesday and 22 shoes on Wednesday. How many shoes did he mend in all? Now see, first on Monday he mended 23 shoes, on Tuesday 34 and on Wednesday he mended 22 shoes. So now we will add these three digits. 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9 and 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. So, in all, he mended 79 shoes. Okay. Now the next. Meenakshi is 7 years old. Her brother is 11 years old. So, we will add these two digits first. Answer will be 18. Their mother's age is 21. Now their mother's age is 21. Then the sum of their ages. More than the sum of their ages. Now see, Meenakshi and her brother's age total we have done here 18. Now we will add this total with their mother's age. So the answer will be 39. Okay. So now we will write the final sentence. Their mother is 39 years old. Okay. So this was the end of our addition. Now we will move to our next topic, that is subtraction. And first of all we will see some of the sums. See here. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. So this sum teaches us one thing, that if we subtract 0 from any number, the answer will be the same number. See here I am subtracting 7 from 0. 0 from 7. So the answer is 7. And same way see here I am subtracting 0 from 26. The answer will be 26. The answer will be the same number. Now in the next sum I am subtracting 891 from 0. Right? 891 minus 0. The answer will be 891. The number minus 0 is equal to same number. Okay. Now number minus same number is equal to 0. See, suppose I subtract 7 minus 7. These two digits are same. So the answer will be 0. See here, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 53 minus 53 is equal to 0. 637 minus 637 is equal to 0. Okay, so here number minus 0 is equal to the same number and number minus same number is equal to 0. Now subtraction of tens, hundreds and thousands. 20 minus 10. See, I am writing here 20 minus 10. We are subtracting or adding a digit from ones from right hand side. So 0 minus 0 is 0 and 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So this way we will subtract. So 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. 30 minus 10 is equal to 10 is equal to 20. See, 0 minus 0 is 0 and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Same way we will do it for the hundreds. 300 minus 100 means we will start from the right hand side. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Again 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So the answer is 200. Same way, see here, 600 minus 100 is equal to 500. 800 minus 100 is equal to 700. Okay, now we will go for the thousands place. 2000 minus 1000. See, 2000 minus 1000. The answer will be 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0 is 0 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 1000. Okay, same way, see here, 3000 minus 1000 is equal to 2000. Okay, like this way we will subtract ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now we will look at one example. See here, the sum is 98 minus 25. See here, we will do it step by step. So for 98, I will write 9 tens and 8 ones. And for 25, 2 tens and 5 ones. Now I will start subtracting from the right side. 8 minus 5 is 3. So 3 ones. And then comes to the tens. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So 7 tenths. Now we will do it in a simple way. 98 minus 25. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3 and 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So the answer is 73. Now we will do it in a vertical form. See here, 98 minus 25 is written here. Now first of all, we will subtract 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3 and 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. First of all, whether the sum is given in horizontal or vertical form, first of all you have to subtract the ones and then move towards the tens and then to the hundreds. Okay? Now a 3-digit subtraction. See, 743 minus 342. I have written in the place values form 7 hundreds and 4 tens and 3 ones. 3 hundreds and 4 tens and 2 ones. Now I will start subtracting from the right hand side. 3 minus 2 is 1, so 1 1. 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 tens and 7 minus 3 is equal to 4 hundreds. Okay, same way I have done it here. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0 and 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So the answer is 401. In the vertical form also, we will start subtracting from the ones. Okay, first of all we have to subtract ones. So here the ones are 3 and 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. See, the first step is to subtract ones and then we will move towards the tens. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. See, here 0 has been kept. And then the third and the last step is 2 minus hundreds. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So the answer is 401. Now we will solve some of the sums. Subtract. 9 minus 6. Okay, now you can count it or subtract it by your finger method. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 19 minus 7 is equal to, we can do it like this, 19 minus 7. 9 minus 7 is 2 and 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So the answer is 12. Okay, same way 46 minus 12. So first of all we will subtract 6 and 2. 6 minus 2 is 4 and 4 minus 1 is equal to 5. So the answer is 54. Next, 47 minus 23. First of all we will subtract 7 minus 3 is equal to 4 and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Fifth sum. 89 minus 65. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 and 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So the answer is 24. 175 minus 25. We will subtract it in this form first. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 and 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. So the answer is 150. Seventh sum. 489 minus 65. First of all we will subtract the ones. 9 minus 5 is 4. Then 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 and 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. So the answer is 424. Eighth sum. 127 minus 100 is 027. Why? 7 minus 0 is 7. 2 minus 0 is 2 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So at the hundreds place there comes 0. Next is 512 minus 402. Now 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 and 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So the answer is 110. Now the 10th sum. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1, 8 minus 7 is equal to 1, and 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So the answer is 111. Now we will move to the 3-digit sums and 2-digit sums, but in a horizontal form. 54 minus 32, 4 minus 2 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2. So the answer is 22. Only one single thing you have to remember, that you have to start it from ones, or else you can remember that you have to start subtracting or adding a digit from the right hand side. Second number, 9 minus 4 is 5, 6 minus 5 is 1. So the answer is 15. Third sum, 8 minus 5 is 3, 7 minus 7 is 0, and 2 minus 0 is 2. So the answer is 203. Now the fourth sum, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, 9 minus 6 is equal to 3, and 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. So the answer is 533. Fifth sum, 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, and 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So the answer is 231. Sixth sum, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, 9 minus 0 is equal to 9, and 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So the answer is 292. So now here ends our today's lecture. Thank you.